Test. Okay. Off. Okay, you guys can hear me? Is the mic staticking? The only thing that's not working, hold on. Okay, that should work for TikTok. Just gotta figure out the webcam now, bro. Bias, this shit looks bearish as hell. I'll just say straight up. I didn't expect this going into, but now it's just dumping. Just gotta figure out this webcam situation. So, what's going on with your TikTok? I don't know. Let's find out. I'm not early, guys. The market opens in 2 minutes. Just gotta figure out this webcam, bro. I don't know, usually, I don't know what happened, bro. I really don't know what happened today. Everything just bugged out. We hear you? Yeah, I know you guys can hear me. Only YouTube can see me, though. Only YouTube can see me. Hold on. 1 second. Yo, Chooch, do you remember how to link your virtual camera as like an outsort? Like, you get what I'm saying? Like out. Oh wait, I remember here. I click this. Whoever showed me it, bro, I don't know. Show me it again. Show me it again, brother. You do this, and then you click like preview. Oh, you put scene on it, right? You put a scene on it. Oh, now they just see two. Well, market open. Hopefully we can figure this out really quickly. Oh, if I do full screen webcam and then. Oh, weird. I was like frozen there, but source. Oh, if I source it, maybe. Bro. I don't know. It's annoying, bro. Scenes. Maybe if I do this. Settings. Oh. Bro, it's showing my whole OBS. We might just have to end TikTok and just stay on YouTube, bro. Straight up. Because it's showing like my whole OBS. Let me quickly mark out some, yeah. The only thing we could look for is a classic short. So, I'll got that SIB. I know what the issue is. Just stay on without camera. I can stay on without camera if that's what you guys want. Damn, we touched that 5-minute city and dumped. I would have never taken that short. Bias, bro. I was looking for a previous week's low, but if it's gonna just go like this fast, then there's no trade idea. I'm trying to fix the face cam, guys. S&P on lows doesn't really matter. Okay, if I wait, what's program default? What's preview? What's scene? Oh, I can't do scene. It needs to be source. Okay. If I put this one, hey, I figured it out. Cool. All right, we're locked in now, boys. Everything should be good. It's not earlier, it's 9:30 right now. Everything should be good now. Yo, there's 155 people watching and 5 likes. You guys are greedy. That's all I'm gonna say. Greed. This look, bro. How is it still just gonna dump every single time at 9:30, bro? Like, really? Now you got 6. Alright, we good now, boys. We good. We good. We could look for a continuation idea, but it looks like we're just gonna go to previous week low. Straight up. Yeah, market's open. Market's open, guys. Market's open. Let's go back. Let's mark our regular trading hours gap. When you have a gap this large, you do not expect it to be filled within that same session. So this is where we opened. We closed up here. We also have a really big new week opening gap. What do you think about after previous week low? Could look for a move back into the range. It's really hard to say, bro. It could just keep going lower and lower, and then if so, there's probably not going to be a good idea for us. It's not looking good, bro. Straight up. Straight up. I was thinking this monthly gray pool, which was like here. But like, that's so far, man. Genuinely concerned for the state of the market at this point. Like, it's so bearish. All right, we'll see. We're retracing into first presentation right here. So like, I wouldn't short this, but maybe if we get an inversion or something. All right, you guys know the drill. I'm gonna minimize the chat now. Did the time change? Yes, the time changed. Okay, chat is minimized. We're officially locked in. Everything should be running smoothly. I'm opening up the top step accounts, the alpha accounts. Let's turn on buy and sell buttons. These candles are printing decently. Right now, we're looking for previous week's low and a high probability shorting opportunity towards previous week's low. So far, we took sell side, buy side. So we did take out buy side. We could go lower from there. Maybe if this candle closes bearish, we can find a nice shorting opportunity. Be like a 30-second inversion. So basically, if we inverse a 30-second, so a 15-second already inversed. I'll probably short this if it can tick up for us. But if I short here, I mean, we need to find like decent risk to reward. So even if I did like this, we'll just have to wait and see. It did not inverse on the 30-second. Of course, did not. There's just not good risk reward on a trade setup like this. That's all it is. I want to short it, but there's no good risk reward. I'll wait, maybe see if ES can inverse that small fair value gap, then we have a full protraction model in place, so we can short it, look for previous week low, and just move from there. Or just look for 2R a day like this. Just setting up all my accounts, DOM. Let's call it 3 micros probably. Just watching ES here. I want to see if ES gives me the protraction model. meaning that this could be your high of session, at least until we take previous week low. It could be your high of session. But ES did not inverse, so I'm glad I didn't hesitate. I'm glad I didn't take that short. I mean, it can still play out. This is still first presentation inversion. So that's your first FEG. You just have to remember like what model you're really trading. And if this is your reversal model, you missed the reversal. I mean, there's no CISD or breaker, so it's not your reversal model. But if this is your protected high, then you can look for a protraction. But there is no protraction. We never inversed the 30-second. So what are the ranges on these candles? 50 points. Yeah, great. It's gonna be one of those days where you have to risk like small amounts. I don't mind if we want to come up here and put an SMT. Right now I'm just focused on previous week low. There's nothing else clear to me. It's right there. This could act as an OB. It looks like order flow is still bullish. So I'm just gonna have to wait, see if we bump out the high here. There's not really any PD array. In terms of the 15-minute chart, I mean, London highs there. I don't think we're taking London highs, at least not before previous week low. So we also don't have to take previous week low. We could have just, you know, come all the way here. We still ran a lot of liquidity in the form of the rejection block. I'd want to see previous week low taken now. I'd be pretty surprised if we just left lows like that. Still no SMT, so I'm just gonna wait. I want to see if ES wants to take out this high. If so, then we can look for reversal on ES. It looks like ES wants to come up here. I'm not gonna be aggressive on this short if it closes bearish. I'm just gonna wait and see if it takes out the high. Looks like it'll take out the high right here. Yo, if you're watching a live stream, man, leave a like for your brother, bro. Leave a like, bro. Bro, 150 people and 5 likes? Damn, and one of them was me, too. I just took that in. All right, we're almost there to the high on ES. It's your minor buy side right here. All right, ES took out the high. See if NQ takes out the high. It doesn't have to. In fact, if NQ gives us an inversion here, I'll probably short that. Or we'd have to wait for the CISD on ES. But because there's SMT, we can just argue this is a protraction model. Because we never bumped out the high on NQ. Came back. Come on, give me at least a small fair value gap to work with here. Don't close up. Stay open, please. It's there. Small but mighty. We took a trade on our fair value gap like this the other day. So let's say we got something like this. You know what? There's a volume imbalance down there. So let's just include that and keep this very simple. Looks like we're going to take the high. We haven't displaced lower yet, so because we didn't displace lower off the SMT, I'd probably expect us to run the high, but we'll see. So what I'm looking for now is maybe a reversal going into the macro, meaning we'd have to see a change in the state of delivery after taking out the high. Then we can target previous week low. We also have to keep the scenario open that we just may not take previous week low, right? Just because it's a draw doesn't mean it needs to be met today. Like we did move lower, you know, we moved a lot lower. So who knows, maybe it doesn't take. But for now, that's my idea. I'll look for a reversal to previous week low. Hopefully it can give us something. The only way I get in on this is if we inverse this fair value gap, and even then, I'd probably have to size down on a trade like that because it's just so slow. President Trump speaks today, tentative. Great. So this guy's gonna start yapping at any moment now. Hopefully it's in the afternoon or something, bro. If I enter a trade and I just start seeing random candles like this, I swear. The reason I want to see the reversal now, because I don't want to see us fill the opening range gap just yet. But we can see. Okay. Engage with that liquidity pool. Anyone short going into pre-market, trail stops there. It would have been just stopped out. Now we have to look, see if we get a CISD. So if we can get a CISD, that would be your first confirmation of moving lower, but we'll see. So far we have SMT here. I don't know if it's going to hold yet though. It doesn't look like it, but we'll see. $44 points. It's crazy. Really slow, small candles. Not interested right now. All right, in terms of probability, you don't want to see the candles forming in this way. It just makes the trade a little bit less probable, so just something to keep in mind. This might be the slow. It just feels like every 1 minute candle is 2 minutes long, bro. It's literally what it feels like. Like, are we gonna take the buy side? It's so hard to take a short like this. We have a pre-existing breaker here. I mean, there's a CISD, like, it's there. This thing's just gonna go. Five-minute immediate rebalance. If this is your reversal model, I'll have to wait for a protraction because I don't want to take this reversal model. This candle has no wick. There's a weak CISD. Oh, of course. We'll see if it could like tick back up. Let me get a fill. I'm not gonna sell it down here. We reinverse first presentation. So I don't know, maybe something like this. If we can find ourselves getting to our now is not the time to lie, trading view. Can take this and put the stop right here, maybe. No, I'm not gonna take it's not A plus, bro. I was thinking about doing something like this, so we put in a 15-second OB, but it's not gonna be high probability. I'd rather just wait for, you know, if it wants to retrace into the 1 minute fair value gap, give us an entry. I'll take it. If not, we miss it. It is what it is. I really do think it's gonna go lower, but we gotta find a good setup. It's been sloppy all morning. So unless we really get a good high probability setup, I don't want to push the button, especially when it's been delivering like this. All I want is a retracement and then an inversion. I'll take it on the 15-second if it forms. Hopefully before we take out this low. Okay, retracement. It's good. It's good. That might be all we get. To be honest, that might be all we get. That retracement did not form a fair value gap. Come on, can we get to the 2? I mean the 1 minute here. See, good thing we didn't click sell. We would be in deep drawdown right now. We would have been stopped out right there. Patience pays. Patience always pays off. Okay, we touched that 1 minute SIBI. I guess a 15-second inversion here could be a good short idea. The short would look something like this. We just have to watch it. If this inversion is on the 15-second, I'll take it. 2 minute fair value gap just tapped in. So I gotta wait for the rules of the model, right? Rules of the model. The reversal doesn't look clean. Wait for the protraction. If the protraction doesn't form, then you don't have a trade. So if we don't get an inversion lower, then we don't have a trade idea. It's macro time now. All right, I'm watching this closely. No inversion on the 15-second, so still no trade idea. It's just staying choppy inside this range, right? That's why I want to see that inversion. But if it's not going to give it to us, then there's no trade idea. Good thing. Patience pays, man. Patience pays. You got to stay patient, especially in a market like this, with all this wicking and stuff. Like, you got to be patient. I don't mind the 10 a.m. reversal idea as well. There's really no clean fair value gap to look for an inversion as well either now at this point. We might form a breaker on the 15-second. I mean, I could take that, to be honest. I mean, this looks like it might go lower. Whoa. There it is. Okay. Well. If we can like at least touch the OB, maybe. That was just way too fast. That was just way too fast. There's no way we can get in on that move. I was gonna say that 15-second breaker, it literally just formed. That's why I said I think this can go lower. And then it really went lower. Crazy. Now I'm skeptical because the S&T here, this is not easy. I don't like the way this is forming, to be honest. I want to be extra patient here. You just gotta wait for the same thing now. If we can retrace into this fair value gap, get an inverse, we can take a trade idea. This fair value gap has an OB aligned with it, so if it wants to do that for us, but I'm not taking it from down here. This is very sloppy delivery. It's like edging previous week low. If anyone's in shorts, I actually feel bad. Actually, no, I don't. Unless you, like, if you got it on this fair value gap, then you're good. But you know what, I guess like in hindsight, like we did touch the bearish or the order block with the fair value gap, but like I just had to see something here, and we did see something. It was just way too fast. We had about 2 milliseconds. Could go lower below previous week's low, but we'll just have to see. There's previous week's low. SMT at previous week's low now. The reason I said it can go lower is because ES hasn't taken it yet, so. We could have, for example, like shorted this, put the stop here. That's 0.8 R, bro. There's just no way I'm taking that trade. There was a 15-second inverse on top step X. Oh, on NQ there was, yeah. Not on micros. But even if you did take that inverse, you would have been stopped out. You got stopped out on the tick. Unfortunate. This is a 1 minute. How's everyone doing with this? I'm curious. I'm curious how you guys are doing with this market. Open chat for a little bit. How did everyone navigate that? That was difficult. You caught 1.7 R? Not bad. Not bad at all. You hit just a TP? Nice, bro. No opportunities for me right now? Yeah. There was like one entry model that presented itself for me, but it's too low, too low. Took a short close too early when it's 1-to-1. That's okay, bro. You missed market open. You didn't miss much. You took it on ES. You got in off the IFEG. Patience, no trade. High resistance dayman, but TP. Definitely sloppy. What are your thoughts on order flow trading? What does that even mean, bro? Could have taken a trade when it reaches the OB, but wasn't convinced. 5 minute SIBI, 1 minute IFEG, short to previous week's low. Yeah, you could have shorted this inversion here. Stop there. Why don't you enter at CISD retest? I don't enter on CISD retests. What to expect now after previous week low? It can move back into the range. It depends. It all depends on your bias. If you think it's going to be expansive, I mean, we could actually fully reverse from here. This could be your low of the week. I won't be able to do anything unless we get CISD or breaker, though. This is range model stuff now. You're looking for longs now? All right, we'll minimize chat. We'll focus back up. I was curious what you guys were. I was just curious how you guys managed to do that, because that wasn't easy the way that printed, but it did give you a couple opportunities. Trading in this 1 minute SIBI. I'm looking for longs or shorts. I mean, I'll say one thing. If we're going to look for longs, there's no long idea until we get the breaker or CISD. So I don't even have to worry about that yet. It's possible. This could be your low session. We have SMT at previous week low, and we have SMT here. But I don't know. I'd be surprised if ES doesn't take previous week low, to be honest. I would have expected ES to also take it. So I don't know. We could look for a protraction setup here. ES give us a fair value gap? No fair value gap on ES either. We just watch it and see. It's so sloppy regardless. I guess if we get a breaker, then yeah, we could start looking for like these pre-market highs, and because we took previous week's low, you know, it's a higher time frame objective, so see if we inverse this or not. That'd be the first step. A long would be crazy. Like a long would basically be saying that like we're gonna come back to Asia highs. That's kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Unless we just play inside this range, but it's possible as well. In that case, it would be a seek and destroy model. I feel like ES wants to take previous week's low as well. Didn't really give an entry opportunity for me. I'm scanning the 15-second for inversion. There's nothing there. Need to see a PD ray get invalidated for me to short this. There really isn't much. Yeah, I want to short this to previous week's low on ES, but it's just not forming any fair value gaps. Like these little minuscule ones. If I have to zoom in like multiple time frames, okay, there you go. Took out that low. See if ES wants to reach previous week's low. I'll be marking this as your CIST if it forms. I kind of do want to see ES take previous week's low. We just left equal lows there. Is that better? Maybe. It's 10 a.m. now. We know it's probably going to come back above here. Previous week low on ES is right here, still open. Still open. Large liquidity pool. Just gotta wait, I guess. Maybe we hesitated, but like there was definitely no clean entries. If there was any clean inversion here or here, we could have taken the shorts. There was no clean inversion, right? And I'm not here about to make up another entry model just to push the button. So obviously there was ways to get in, but like if you guys are in the Discord, remember like the first thing I posted today? 3 things you're going to do today. You're going to follow the model, you're going to follow the rules, and you're going to execute your strategy. That's it. That's all you're going to do. So there's no inversion. There's no inversion. There's no way around it. You can argue it on the 15-second. There are inversions on the 15-second. They just do not look clean. This is what the 15-second looks like. Like I'm scanning this price range for an inversion, but there really isn't much, right? And then we just all the way down. Same thing happened here. I'm scanning this price range for an inversion. This is NQ. So NQ did give us this, but micro did not. So it's no inversion, and then we just one candle goes. So sloppy delivery, and I'm okay sitting out if it's gonna deliver sloppy. We still have time here. Just became 10 a.m. All right, ES took out sell side. We still have previous week low open on ES. Previous week's low still open. This candle might deliver it here. Whoa. I can show my theme. My canvas color is F6F7EC. F6F7EC. That's my canvas color. This is the 1 minute chart. The FAG entry was clean. Yep, if you left the if you shorted it as it touched this fair value gap, yep, that was clean for sure. That was definitely your best entry, in my opinion. This is the 1 minute chart, guys. How do you lock in trend lines that draw in clean and line symmetrical? You have to click shift on your keyboard. If you click shift, the line will be good. Are you gonna trade today? If my model forms, yes. When does market open change back? It's done. The market, it's UTC -4, guys. Just go UTC -4. What do you mean change back? It's not going to change back. This is the time now. This is the correct time. There's previous week low on ES, so yeah, we had the right draw. We had the right idea with the protraction here and the protraction here. Could not find an entry. That's okay. I'm not here to push the button. I'm here to follow the model. The model doesn't form. You don't push the button. My protraction requires an inversion. There was no inversion. Like asking for reversal is a lot. Asking for a reversal is a lot. There's a monthly gray pool here. See if we get there, I guess. Yeah, I'll take it after Hurrito if that's okay. Hey, I'm gonna open up chat here because I really can't see myself shorting this, so we're just gonna have to wait for some price action. What's a gray pool? When two 50% wicks overlap. When two 50% wicks overlap, you have a gray pool. You can use it as a drawn liquidity. To be honest, I don't like using it as a drawn liquidity, but it's there. Alright, what's chat saying? What's chat saying? Did you guys catch shorts there? First one or second one? Are you good for longs now? No, there's no signs of it going higher yet. On the higher time frame, both NQ plus ES are weekly FEG. Yep, they are. I think we're like way below it now though. Yeah, like we're. I mean, yeah, this old weekly FEG, yeah, old reclaimed bullish. You're right. 4 hour has no wick. You got the second short here, yeah. Signs it's going lower. You need a sign that it's going lower. Look at the candlesticks, bro. Shorting easier than buy and sell. Shorting means selling. I don't know. I hesitated on the CISD. So weak CISD. This one right here, or this order block. Both are sloppy. Toxic, what the heck, man? Four minis, man. Bro, man. Yeah, this one up here. Yeah, I marked it out as well. Just wasn't. It's really hard to trust a CISD like that. And what happened to the daily loss limit, bro? Huh? You removed that? Why didn't you on CISD? I didn't trust the reversal at this time, so I wanted to see a continuation. This would have been your continuation idea here and here, but there was no inversion, so I couldn't take it. Oh, you good, bro? Then you good. 5 minutes on the 5. It's not there yet. Does Top Step has consistency rule on funded? No. Same, but it took me a week. I passed phase 1. First week, second phase, max right now. Yes. CSD equals change in the state of delivery. Just helps you gauge order flow. Gaty, you need to make a video about order block for real. I don't know, I'm tripping. It is going to be a video. This is your bearish order block. This is a propulsion block. This is your bearish order block. Well, it's actually also a propulsion block. And then this is your order block. Hold on. Let's make this something clear here. This is your bearish order block. If someone tells you otherwise, they're incorrect. This is your bearish order block. When price trades into a bearish order block and forms another bearish order block, this is a bearish propulsion block. Just a continuation order block, basically. So same thing here. If we have an order block here, we trade into it, we form another one. And we have another order block here, because it's trading into this one, and then again closes below. This is again another propulsion block. What makes an order block a high probability one? If there's a large body, if it sweeps liquidity, enters higher time frame PD ray, you're drawing liquidity, the time in which it forms, all that kind of stuff. If it overlaps with a fair value gap, the first one, yeah, I mean, you could have taken the first one. It wouldn't have broken, for me, it wouldn't have broken any rules. It just, I didn't trust it at the time. I wasn't even convinced we were going to go lower, right? So I was waiting. Especially during these markets where it's like 80 points. Thoughts on ES trading instead of NQ? It's the same thing, bro. Like ES is like 7 points, 10 points, when it's usually it's like 2 or 3. So they're both increased. You just have to do less contracts. I want to look for an entry, but I missed open. Should I wait till PM? Entry what? Shorts, longs? You're getting better at teaching? That's good. Indicators? I don't really use any indicators. It just marks out opening price for me. This is NASDAQ, correct? That's an inverted fair value gap. Which one? What do you think? It looks like we're gonna reach that gray pool on the monthly, to be honest. That's what I think. But we'll see. This is a 1 minute chart. Yeah, pretty much all clean targets are taken. Now it's just like, how low can we go? Literally. It's literally just how low can we go? Can we expect any long move? It's possible, yeah. If we get a change in the state here, then it's possible. 1002 inversion. 1002. Bro. Don't give me none of that, bro. 1002 inversion, it's not. Yeah, I mean, there's a small fair value out there. I would never use that. I see decoupling, man, on the Dow. There you go, bro. If that's your model criteria for something, then go with it. How are you able to tell that you were in a high resistance liquidity condition? I'm going to talk about that on my YouTube channel. You have to look at the economic calendar. And for me, that's enough. I mean, just look at the economic calendar. This is what we've been talking about. I mean, just look. Which days do you think would likely be more volatile and better movement than compared to the other ones? Obviously, it's not going to be Monday, when you have CPI Wednesday, PPI Thursday, preliminary on Friday, even Tuesday you have JOLTS job openings. Monday, what do you have Monday? You have a 200-week new week opening gap, a 200-point freaking opening range gap, and you have Trump speaking when who even knows when, bro. So like, am I really expecting expansion? No, but I mean, we've been expanding, so it's crazy. Just gotta wait and see, I guess. Made 5K today, nice, bro. Yurtsky, Wagwan, Bread. What's up, bro? You trade manipulation, IPD, CISD in a combination? Yeah, that's pretty much my model, I guess. That's pretty much my model. Thanks, bro. Got you. You passed your funded? Nice, bro. Made enough for us to get married right now, bro. You've been seeing those Biden worse? You've been seeing those Biden worse and the Trump worse TikToks? No. Why does Alpha Future says 5 winning days to request a payout? I think that's on the advanced. No, that's not true. Where does it say that? No, we didn't take any trades yet. My first funded pass. Now the real mission starts. TBH. Yes, sir. I mean, it's the same stuff, bro. Just you gotta do your job. Your job is do your model. Your job is to follow your model. That's all you gotta do, bro. What hair products do you use? I don't use any products, bro. Oh, on the advanced, yeah, on the advanced, you need to do that. Yes. Wait, is that true? Did I know that or did I not know that? It's the bias, bro. We already took out all the objectives lower. 2 chains. I don't think you realize, but market open was an hour ago. Did you know that or no? Love watching the stream while trading. Appreciate you, bro. No, you don't trade New York? Got you. Thoughts on Apex prop firm? They're like my number 4 right now. Bro, what is this? Hello, Mr. Goldman President. How often do you stream on TikTok? I stream every day, bro. Robbie, did you catch shorts, bro? You're watching 4-hour Power of 3? I'm just waiting to see. Like, I don't want to be a participant in this at all. I'm just waiting, just being patient. I want to see, do we get displacement higher or no? I'm down to $19. Sounds like you can make it happen, bro. That's like, I guess half an eval. Now we didn't catch a trade. I looked for a protraction here. I looked for reversal here, but I wasn't confident in the CISD. It was just a little too weak in displacement. So I didn't take it. I looked for protraction here. There was no inversion. I looked for protraction here. There was no inversion. And we missed the previous week low. It is what it is. Can we talk about the economical, political state of the world? No, we cannot, bro. I caught shorts for the previous day low. That's fire, bro. There's SMT up here, yeah. How long does it take to get the requested payout from TopStep? If you get all your papers right, it took me 24 hours, so hopefully yours also takes 24 hours. You trade on TradingView? No, I trade on my accounts on my left monitor, TopStep and Alpha. How are you able to tell that it was weak? Just all the wicking. I don't like how it just wicks. It failed to CISD here, failed to CISD here. And then this is the candle that formed the CISD. Like, come on, bro. What is a candle, bro? This candle has no high. It wicked first presentation. Like, it's just a weak CISD. There's no displacement. Weak. And then you got a clean move, which you could have taken this, but I want to wait for the continuation because I knew that if we're likely to come back up here, then we can maybe get a protraction model going, but it didn't form. This is also an SMT candle. What? Which candle? Rise up? What you mean rise up, bro? What you mean? What you mean rise up? TGR took that trade? Nice. Yo, Jaden? Who's Jaden, bro? The candle you just showed? I'm just gonna mark out the SMTs and then you can go with what you need. The only SMT right now is up here. There's nothing else. There's no other SMT. What's an SMT? It's a divergence between correlated pairs. If you look at my chart, just study the chart for like 20-30 seconds and you'll see it yourself and you'll be fine. Does Alpha Loop features allow copy trading multiple accounts? Yes, bro. Yes, they do. Traded P&L when price had met an objective. Good. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. It's like, bro, you know what's funny? Like, this is what people do all the time, bro. They're like, I'm bearish. I'm going to wait for a previous week's low. and then they take it. They don't catch a trade. They're like, all right, we can look for longs now. What? Bro, what? Like, do you know how many times we take out a daily low and it just does not reverse? Like, just because, bro, if you kept that same mindset any days here, you would have had one good day, bro. Friday. That's it. Like, what? You can't just all of a sudden be bullish just because we took previous week low. Why is it UTC -4 now? Market went back. Time went back an hour. Where is the accumulation? Where is the manipulation? This is your manipulation, bro. Taking above 930 high. Accumulation, sell side, buy side, dump. Assumption, confirmation, execution. Yeah, pretty much, bro. Look at the daily BISI. Yep, it's there. 250 watching, bro. We better have at least, like, taking the number out but I don't even know, bro. Y'all don't like my live, bro. Y'all just watch and no love. It's all good though. It's all good though, because I'll be here every day. I'll be here every day. BTC crashing below 80K. Let's get it. Getting my KOC got verified and it took double on the first express. You're talking about alpha? Why do we only use ES for SMT? Why not Dow Jones? You can use Dow Jones, but ES and NQ are more correlated because there's more stocks in the index. Nice, you got KYC and nice, bro. So KYC went smooth because I didn't do mine yet. Honestly, I just been pretty lazy. Should we just check out like gold futures, bro? Like, hell no, absolutely not. Crude oil. Like, I want to push the button, bro. This eval needs to get going. Hold on. Did someone say equal lows 15-minute Sibi? It would be so wrong if I just clicked short right now. Let's just tape read it. Let's tape read this. There, let's go. Tape read. I won't take the trade. All right, let's go back to NQ. How do you determine your bias? Many factors. If double purge happens all the time? No, I just want to see it happen. Ideally, it happens. Which mentorship is protraction model on? It's my model, bro. It's not ICT's model. Well, he taught me how to make it, but there was always a lag on YouTube Live. Do you offer Discord Live? I don't think there's a lag, bro. I don't think it's me, but no, I don't go live on. The reason I don't do Discord Lives is because I want everything to be documented, all the transparency. I can't do that on Discord unless someone, like, I'd have to record every single one and then post it. That would just suck. I don't want to do that. We didn't take anything yet. No, we did call out the shorts, but model did not really form. You do Forex sometimes. How's trading going? It's going good, bro. Can't complain. You done for the day? I'm gonna step away. What platform do you use? I use Alpha Futures and Top Step. Yeah, Alpha Futures and Top Step. All right. Cool. Gotta go with your gut feeling. Did you take anything? No. I tried to find shorts at 951 and at 959, but it did not form. What price levels at monthly gray pool? Hold on, let me give you the most precise price level. I don't want to give you misinformation. The high of it is 496.25. $496.25. The low of it is at 9999 flat. Trump's live. Nice. That's what I love to hear. That's what I love to hear. Yes, time frame. Nothing's changed. It's just the hour went back. Guys, nothing changed in the market. The only thing that changed is in real life. We went back an hour. That's all. I'm scanning for a potential breaker here on ES. I guess it'll be on NQ too with this breaker. If it forms, we'll see. No, I don't think I'd look for a short at this point, to be honest. Daylight trading, so it's 1 hour early. Listen, so New York session's in 6 minutes? No, it was 1 hour ago. Or 55 minutes ago, to be exact. Nope, this is a bearish order block, yes, but I want to see it close above and then act as a breaker potentially. I don't really want to look for shorts. I kind of just want to sit here and either wait for it to tell me it's going to go higher or just not take a trade. So New York Open tomorrow. So New York Open is tomorrow at New York Open? Bro, what? New York Open is at New York Open? Any buys? I was bearish. Everything was smashed. I'm either going to wait for a range model back into the range or just no trade. So I'm looking at this. Was that typing? That was me. I'm fast with it, huh? What about MetaTrader? What about MetaTrader? Is it better to be on the 1 minute after market open or does not matter? I like to be on the 1 minute. What about MetaTrader? Do I need MetaTrader to trade on top? No, you don't. Clock is different now? Yeah, bro. How does nobody know, bro? You guys didn't realize your clock, like, went back? Like, you guys don't have clocks in your house that are just all 1 hour behind? Like, what? How? What's going on? You guys don't have phones, bro? Your phone doesn't say, like, 10:30 a.m.? No way was thinking you missed the whole session? Guys, what? Not mine? Just longed. Damn. I got my girl told me I just wasn't paying attention. Well, listen, if you guys want to keep it simple, just set your trading view to UTC -4. It's -4 now. UTC -4. It's the correct depiction. This is CSD, bro. From what? Like, from it does not meet the criteria for any model. Unless we're trading above this fair value gap, which we're not. So it's not a valid CISD. Not for me, at least. I'm in UK, says 1427. I don't know what information you want me to do with that, but if you're trading New York session, you want to set your chart to Eastern time, it's UTC -4. So just click UTC -4, go to New York, then you have your correct time. The time just changed for America, gang. Bro, there is no way you just said that, bro. No, it did not just change for America, bro. It changed for the entire world. Guys, it's daylight savings. It happened overnight, so you didn't realize. And it happened on Sunday. Yes, you set the clock forward 1 hour. Oh, Euro happens in 2 weeks. Oh, okay. My fault, bro. All right. It's going to happen though. It's coming, bro. It's coming in 2 weeks. All right. Bro, the time change only in US. It's coming, bro. It's coming. Uh, 30th of March for you guys. What Toxic, why are you giving me $5, bro? So get off the charts and go sleep. Ain't nothing forming, gang. Hold on, bro. Toxic sends in chat. What is that? Like 10:26. He said, I just went long. And then bro sends $5 2 minutes later, and he says, get off the charts. Nothing's forming, bro. Bro, you just went long 2 minutes ago. What happened? What happened to the long, bro? Bro realized, he's like, wait. You're the only person to ever lose a trade and then gift $5, bro. That's crazy work, bro. That's actually crazy work. Bro, don't gift me $5, bro. Go gift yourself TradeZella, bro. I feel so bad. You're betting on Forex Replay and you lose your data. And why you include the MIC as you mark OB? You always include the wick. Reasonable crash out. Trump just said he won't be dealing with the market today. Bro, Trump needs to step it up because literally freaking like hundreds of billions have been wiped out of this. Any free backtesting application? Go get a Subway with $5. I wish I could get a Subway with $5, bro. You want a Subway here, bro? You know what? I might actually get a Subway today, bro. You inspired me. Thank you, Toxic, bro. Takes you back. I don't want any gifts, bro. It just makes me feel bad. Just makes me feel bad, bro. Unless, like, I'm not even going to say because then people are going to copy trade so much. So never mind. Trump wanted this to happen. Fuck Trump, bro. Wasn't the same time last time press came. It's not about really Trump. It's not like it's Trump, guys. Let's dump it. If it was Biden, we would have pumped it. Like, no, it's not like that, bro. It's just there's just a lot of volatility being injected. It's a great time. It's a great time to move price lower. You have everything going on with tariffs and everything. It's a really good excuse to just dump this price. Like it's, you know, you can't just. The thing about the market, guys, you guys have to understand. Like the thing about the markets, you guys have to understand is they can't just dump price for absolutely no reason. There's always going to be some sort of cover up, right? If the algorithm wants to deliver it lower, it simply can't just dump and then just be like, oh, it was just whatever. There needs to be some sort of cover. It's the tariffs in this case, all right? Or when there's a election year or like some crazy stuff happens in the AI space or whatever it may be, there needs to be something to send price this much lower, right? It can't just happen just because, you know, like price isn't just coming for this imbalance, right? It's being intervened to dump lower, and they're gonna use tariffs as the cover up. I promise you, if like the U.S. like we're giving out good news, like tariffs revealed 15%, but they start just pumping this shit, bro. Not because the news is good, but because they have an excuse. You know, that's all it is. What's your bias? I was bearish, brother. Can you show me the color of your canvas? I'm from Discord. Got you, my man. My personal canvas color is this right here. I said I can only get it if I get a pale. I get that, but I don't understand. Did you take anything? No, but I'll show you what I was trying to take. I wanted to, so we called out this reversal. This is CISD, right? It's valid. Reversal model. Took out 930 high, CISD, bearish objective, previous week low. But I didn't trust it at the time. So I wanted to see protraction here. There was no inversion, so I couldn't take this trade. I wanted to see protraction here. There was still no inversion. So really the only entry you could have done is if you just clicked sell on this fair value gap. Even then, the trade wasn't the best. Like, so I don't really feel bad like I missed anything. If there was an inversion here, I was looking at the 15, 30 second. There really was no clean inversion. How come the market moved early? The market did move early, bro. You're an hour late. I'm always like that. Next time it's bullish, but keep dumping, man. Yeah, it's just dumping, but that's it. I mean, there was really no signs of longs. I don't think there was one bullish chain in the state of delivery. I mean, besides this one or this one, but like that doesn't really count. So CRT and turtle soup. I think that's a pattern. Did you see what Justin Trudeau said about Zionism? I don't know what Zionism is even, but no, I don't know. Yeah, exactly. We've been waiting for a correction for a pretty long time. It's been a couple months before we had to move lower. And we need something economically, right? We need something economically to do that. We can't just dump. We can't just go 3,000 points lower and be like, act like there was nothing. There has to be something, right? And this is the perfect time to do so. Trump, tariffs. My country changes times on March 20, bro. I miss New York. Can you look at Euro USD New York session? Sure, bro. Yo, let's go to it. Hold on. Let me check out. Did that crude oil trade play out? It did, bro. Who remembers? We called out crude oil shorts. Obviously, we didn't take it, but we put the P&L to and we said we'll come back and see. It actually played out. Interesting. Took 19 minutes. Not even bad. Not even bad. I just started trading some random shit, bro. EU futures. Who's with me? All right. You guys see what I see? What do you guys see? This is what I see, bro. I see the opening range gap, retracement. Yeah, it's 60. That's what it is. Yeah, I'm tripping. It's a crazy candle, bro. Bro, like, is it bad? I just want to push the button. Not on the funded, but I couldn't touch this, to be honest. I guess we should have just taken that crude oil one. We could start looking at crude oil. This was actually a pretty nice move. Like, we just came into premium and then reversed. It's pretty nice. Bearish fair value gap into New York Open. Fraction model on the day. Would I ever look a move back into range here? No way, this keeps expanding, right? Last time we took a trade on crude oil, it did not go so well. But I mean, this one did. I mean, this looks bearish on the daily, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, let's see, maybe we like touch the OB. Alright, we'll do another tape read. This one is not as good as the other one though, so if not that you guys should be copy trading, but if you did, then don't take this one because this one's not good. I'm just gonna tape read it after. Yeah, I got that. I think New York session's dead. I'm gonna be straight up. No, we didn't catch any trades today. I'll probably trade lunch or PM. What indicator is that? What? There is no indicator, bro. What's the bias? That's it. Bias played out. I was bearish and it took all the lows. Is New York Open M&A indicator used on Alpha Ticks or just on TradingView? It's not on Top Step or Alpha Ticks. My Alpha Ticks is bland. It just looks like this. There's nothing. How long until New York session is at 9:30 again? Brother, New York session is still 9:30. It's just your time is 1 hour ahead. You need to move your clock. You need to change your clock. Yes, YSF. But I changes again? I'm not sure what you're asking. Do I recommend Alpha Ticks? If you want to copy trade, like it all depends if you want the platform. Like if you want access to all this journal and stuff and you want the copy trading and the charts and you want the copy trade built in. I mean, yeah, I would. If you're gonna get multiple accounts eventually, then just get Alpha Ticks. Timing hasn't changed in Asia. Nope, it has not. You're right. It's only changed in North America. I'm in Eastern time. How did you do alpha tick like that? Like what? Do you use Apex? No, I don't like Apex really. How do I buy CME market data? When I try to buy, just direct me to the trade you plan. You need to have a subscription to buy that data, brother. Yeah, no, it's pretty stupid. I'm in NC. How do I get mentored? Not gonna lie, bro. You probably can't join this month. It's already pretty late. Nope, I just get the cheapest one, PDI. I have the cheapest one. Can you buy late date? Yep, I have the cheapest one. What do you use to copy trade? I use Alpha Ticks. I just copy trade in their platform and Top Step X platform. Crude is reversing slightly. I'm actually tempted to just trade crude oil. I know the second I do something stupid like this though, I'm gonna regret it. I'm gonna trade this. Crude oil trade will play out. Let's trade that. How much is TradeZella subscription per month? With my code, 40 or 30, 30 or 40, depending which one you get. Nah, I couldn't find a nice short entry. I tried. I was looking for shorts. We had the right buys. I called the reversal here. I called the SMT. Just could not find another entry. Simple. My live equity is at $20. What? Where's your Top Step and Alpha codes? I don't have a Top Step code, but my Alpha code is Gatie. Code Gatie will give you whatever the best promotion is on any account. You ever use My Funded? I did. I didn't really like them personally. It's fine, bro. Don't force a trade. No! I have to trade. I have to. We have to take at least 10 trades today. Otherwise, we're not good traders. Thanks. Got you, brother. Do you think we will go up on the weekly? This weekly doesn't have a higher wick. That's really hard to say, man. It's so bearish. That's like the only thing. That's the only thing. For now, I think we can reach the gray pool and then go from there, I guess. MFS Starter Plus account. Yeah, the Starter Plus is definitely their best, in my opinion. But I just like Alpha more. What do you think of FTMO? FTMO is pretty good for a Forex firm. It's my number 2. You just mentioned that you offer mentorship. If so, please provide more details. No, I never said nothing about no mentorship. People actually think like that. People do think like that. For my first ever funded, do you suggest Top Step or Alpha? It depends what your goal is. If your goal is to get payout as easy and quickly as possible, I would do Alpha. If you plan on just get Alpha. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Just get Alpha. Straight up. Just get Alpha, get the payout on Alpha, and then use that to get Top Step. My first funded was 24K and I failed miserably. That's okay, bro. You're not meant to pass your first one. I was expecting a potential time reversal. Looks like we're going to trade deeper into the daily FEG. Any tips on improving my daily bias? Nothing wrong with having the wrong daily bias, as long as if you took a long though, I don't know, then it's not daily bias that was incorrectly. I mean, yeah, My Funded Futures. I like My Funded Futures. They're my number 3, Percy. What time of day do you consider lunch hour? It's 11:30. 11:30 to 1:30 is lunch. Can you link Alpha to Top Step accounts for copy trading? No, you can't do that, unfortunately. Also, guys, Alpha has no activation fee. Yeah, so right now, Alpha Futures has no activation fee on the advanced account. So if you use the code, you can get 10% off and no activation fee. I wish I did that before I got this 100K. What was your daily bias coming into market open? I was bearish, looking for previous week's low, which was here, and that was hit. And since then, haven't really been interested. Full port my alpha account. Should I full port the alpha account just for you guys? I honestly would do it for you guys, but I want to do it on a day like this. That'd just be lame. What's the code? Code's Gatie. Just my name, last name. What is that gray box you have on Uncube? This is your monthly gray pool. What did you enter off targeting previous week low? I couldn't find an entry. I was trying to find an inversion fair value gap right here and right here. So I was looking for an entry at 959 and 951, but there was no entry here. Did not form. Just short and appreciate you, JD. I think I'm gonna load 1K next time, bro. Stop putting money into a live account. I'm seeing a lot of people make his videos saying ICT he's a fraud. Yeah, of course they're gonna make those videos. You didn't enter, but from the start you were right. So why not just risk it? There was no entry model for me, you know? Just because I'm right all the time, bro, but doesn't mean I'm always gonna take a trade. I'm not here to... You have to remember, like, what's the goal? That boy said quit. No, I said get a prop firm account, bro. The market did not open 1 hour early. Your time is 1 hour late, brother. What difference between alpha and top step? Alpha is easier to get payout. You think ICT is a fraud? In what sense? ICT the only entry. I saw the only entry I found with respect to from FG and FTA. Yeah, you could have just clicked sell here for sure. Here and here. You could have just clicked sell. You need buffer? Nope, you do not need a buffer to request payout. You used 24K profits before? Nope. I don't know what that is. Guys, click buy now. I don't know how can someone be a fraud if they don't really sell anything? Like at the end of the day, what did ICT really do? If you don't think his teachings work, then just don't trade them. It doesn't affect you. It doesn't affect anybody. Like he didn't really do. It's not like he was like, haha, pay me and I'll teach you. Can I take one trade on alpha futures and request payout? No, you can't do one trade. The only rule is 40% consistency. So what I'm gonna do, I recommend this for anyone trading alpha futures. Listen closely. In my opinion, this is the best thing you can do. 100K account. Listen, bro. Trust me. Like, listen to how insane this is. Compare this to Top Step. You get a 100K account. Okay. You risk 200 to make 400. You do that 3 times, and you can request a payout of $1,000. You still have $3,000 in buffer. That's crazy. On Top Step, you start the account with $3,000 in drawdown. On Alpha, you can request $1,000 and you still have $3,000 in drawdown. Like, how is that fair, bro? How can you even compare the two? Like, Alpha is just so much better, bro. They're giving you an extra $3,000 in drawdown, bro. It is after 14 days. Yeah, you can only request a payout. So that's why I'm saying, that's what you got to do is do that, take the payout, and just start again. Like, literally, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do that on my one account, and as soon as I get that period, I'm just gonna get a new account and repeat and repeat and repeat. How much is a 100K on Alpha? To be honest, I don't even know. How much profit you take per trade? I don't know, bro. Depends how much I risked and where my profit level was. Where's the rhythms on that? Wait, where's the rhythms with Alpha? Copy trade works in prop firms? Yes. The 1 steps are 2 steps? Exactly, bro. The Top Step accounts are 2 steps. They're not 1 steps. It's fake, bro. How much was your funded on Alpha? I'm not even gonna lie, bro. I don't even remember, bro. I got that a while ago. I mean, it wasn't even that long. I think it's like 120 or something. Actually, when I got it, it was 40% off, right? So now it's only 10% off. So realistically, now what you should do is you probably shouldn't get the 100K. You should just get, how is Top Step 2 step? Because you have to pass and then you have to build a buffer. So it's like, you kind of have to pass twice pretty much. I'm eligible to request payout on Top Step. Should I do it? I would. What about My Fund and Futures? My Fund and Futures not bad. You'd have to get, the only thing worth it on My Fund and Futures is Starter Plus though. And if you're going to get the Starter Plus, then you might as well just get Alpha. PM session, when to trade, 1:30 clock. It's Alpha Trade Firm. No, Alpha Futures. Found better entry actually, Gotti. Where what is the profit target? The same as all other firms. Yeah, I would just do it A7. If it's your first payout, bro, just pay yourself. Just pay yourself, bro. I am in love. Straight up, I am, bro. I am. But you know why, bro? Because I get so many messages, bro. So many people, they tell me, like, I'm up this much on my account. What should I risk? Or, oh, I'm up this much. Do I request payout? Or how much buffer should I build, bro? Bro, you don't even have to do all that with Alpha. Just pay yourself, bro. Literally, just pay yourself. No, I didn't catch any trades today. I was looking for shorts, could not find my model. What balance do you recommend to request payout on 50K on Top Step? What I would recommend is get 2,500 and request $500. Market structure safe reversal. I wouldn't trust anything right now, personally. Crude oil longs, say less, bro. You don't gotta tell me more. What we working with, bro? I don't know, man. I don't know. Hold on, let's see. Is there a micro crude oil? Maybe if we get a 15-second inversion on crude. If you get a 15-second inversion on crude. I don't even know what risking is like. Hold on, let's see something here. Let's say we got something like this. You can do 1, 2, 3, like 3 minis. Never heard of Alpha Futures? Yeah, they just recently started. You ever heard of Alpha Capital Group? It's their futures firm. The futures side of it. Crude oil. You trade today, CL? No. Alpha's too expensive? Bro, it's $20 more. How long did it take you to get your first payout? After I started trying, 3 months. Yeah, or you just get the advance with no activation. That's probably the best bet right now. Crude oil longs? It hasn't formed yet. SMT at 9:44 a.m. CSE spots on BFG bearish at 9. New York Open does not open 1 hour early. No, I think Top Step's better. What days are you trading? Every day. What is MNO? Midnight opening. Did you still blow account? Did you still blow account that you passed? No, we're still funded, bro. We're up 1.2 R or something. That's it. When will there be another 40% off? It'll be a while. Because right now, their promotion for March is no activation fee. Alpha 50K. I mean, same thing, bro. Yeah, same thing. Just what you got to do is get a payout as soon as possible. The only difference is don't take a $1,000 payout. Just take a $500 payout. Like instead of with the 100K, my plan is to get $3,000 payouts with Alpha Futures. If I was on a 50K, I'm just gonna do 3 $500 payouts. You know? Are you still trying to trade? Not really. Not in this session, to be honest. I would look for longs though if we can move back into the range. Do you use funding futures? If so, why is there no payouts? I wouldn't get an account with them, bro. I've never heard about that firm. Apex is not bad. Personally, they're my number 4. What's the prop's name? We're talking about Alpha Futures. How is Top Step still better when you progress paid on my fund fee without any buffer on starter accounts? The payout caps. I mean, it depends what accounts you're comparing to. The pricing. The Alpha Futures Starter Plus is more expensive, right? So you have to keep that into consideration. I guess it all depends what you're going for. Realistically, if you want the absolute best account there is known to exist, and you're not even looking at like anything else, then you might as well get an advanced account, right? But if you're considering price, I mean, the starter plus is 3 times the price as the top step 50K. So what's number 1? Alpha futures. Then number 2, top step. Number 3 for me is my fund of futures. How much is the advanced? Right now it's $120, no activation fee. How is this better than top step from your experience? Damn, we be talking about this shit every live, huh? The reason I think it's not that it's a better firm. It all depends what your goal is. The reason I'm saying it's better is because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna request a payout as soon as possible, right? I'm not gonna build any buffer. I don't need to build a buffer on the account. I'm gonna pay myself as soon as possible. So if that's my goal, right? I can't do that on Top Step. I can't do that on my funded futures, because on my funded futures, your max loss will still get set to 0. I can only do that on Alpha. That's why I think it's the best, you know, straight up. And also, you just have to keep in mind, like, all of us who are trading props, our goal is to have multiple prop accounts, right? So if that's your goal, why would you choose a prop firm that's harder to get payout with first? I'm not saying don't trade Top Step, Apex, MyFund futures. All I'm saying is trade Alpha first, because you can get the payout first and easiest. And once you get that payout, then you can use that money to get your Top Step accounts, right? It wouldn't make sense to like get an Apex account and then it takes you forever to get a payout because you need 8 winning trades, you need to build a big ass buffer, and even when you do get payout, it's only $500. So like, why would you choose that one first? That doesn't make sense. Apex should be your last option, right? After you get payout on Alpha futures and you get Top Step, then go into Apex. Don't start with Apex. It's just gonna slow down your whole journey. Really doesn't make sense. Take Profit Trader is not bad. I like all their rules, but for me, the live trailing drawdown is a red flag. Like, I don't want to trade one with live trailing drawdown. I don't know who be saying longs, but there is no signs of bullish order flow whatsoever. Blue Knox, I don't know anything about them. My fund of futures, I would like, my personal opinion, to Alpha, Top Step, my fund of futures. My fund of futures and Top Step's close, but it's just the pricing, like the pricing to reward ratio on my fund of futures I don't like. Like, you pretty much have to get the starter plus. So the starter plus for me is like pretty equivalent to Top Step 50K. Like, that's pretty much the same thing. Tradeify, same thing. It's live trailing drawdown. Tradeify is basically Apex. Check Discord message for that latest top. Oh, bet, bro. Bro, I'm on a crazy streak right now, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. Do you need a buffer for Alpha? You do not need a buffer. They do have trailing drawdown, but you don't need a buffer to request payout. Your max loss will not get set to 0. Me too, man. Me too, man. Sell now? Sure, bro, if you want. If you're model formed. You don't need me to tell you. You're a grown-ass man, bro. Come on. Lock in. Bro, I've been hitting every single lay, Ryan. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. I've been hitting every single lay. I didn't catch any trades today. I tried to find a short at 952 as well as 959. Could not find a model. My model did not form. So I'm a beginner. You suggest Top Step over Apex. It all depends on your goal. If you want to get an account and build a large buffer on it, and that's the first thing you want to do, I would go with Top Step. If you want to get an account and try to get a payout as soon as possible, even if it's a small, like, pay yourself quick, no buffer, just you win 3 trades, like you have 3 winning days, just request payout, right? That's your goal. That's my goal. So if that's your goal too, then use Alpha first. I'm using both, by the way, guys. Like, I'm using Alpha and Top Step. This is the monthly grade pool. Apex is cheaper. Yeah, Apex is cheaper, but you're never going to get the payout, bro. It's going to take, like, if you follow good risk management, you have to build an insane buffer. I'm not going to say insane buffer, but you have to basically build a large buffer and then wait, bank wire for a payout? Yeah, they do. Monthly grade pool, yeah. So the 50% of the 2 wicks here, that's your monthly grade pool. You can't copy trade them all, brother. You got to go individual. So I just switch tabs. So what I do when I'm trading, I'll have this open on both. I'll set the market order, and then I just swap quickly. You need a buffer on Top Step, yes. Says here Stripe when I'm on challenge. Yeah, oh yeah, yeah, but you don't need an account with Stripe, bro. You can still pay from your bank account. You don't need an account with Stripe. I don't have Stripe. What's a buffer? Like a buffer is like before taking payout, you have to build a certain amount of money in your account. Which one are you planning on getting, Geraldo? I'm curious. What's risk management? What's alpha future pricing? I would just check the website, bro. See if it's something good for you. Yes, Top Step requires buffer. It's slowing down now. You just got 3 Top Step combines. Nice, bro. Hopefully they all go well for you. I want one similar to the Top Step one. If you want, are you gonna get a 50K, Geraldo? How much do you pass the Alpha Futures account? We're halfway. That would be advanced, Geraldo. That would be advanced. That would be your best bet. It's also the cheapest one. In my opinion, though, Geraldo, just don't increase your risk on that account. Like, don't full port it, because it's more because there's no activation fee, so it's cheaper. But it's only cheaper if you pass. So I wouldn't just send it. You know, like just look for A+ setups. I'm not saying risk like 0.1, like risk like 0.25, I guess. But you get what I'm saying? Like just force the A+ setups. Ideally, you don't want to be blowing that account. Yeah, I do around 0.25. I actually do a little bit less. Can you explain grade pool and how you use it, your analysis? Why advanced, bro? Because there's no activation fee on it, so it's cheaper right now. When do you up it to 1%? Only on evaluation. You risk 2%. I mean, you could always do 1. You could always do 1. My drawn liquidity got hit. What's your daily bias? I was bearish. Couldn't not find entry short. Gotcha. Makes sense. Yeah. I currently have 100K standard. Whiteboard, read the question and fade. Wait, I forgot it, bro. Oh, grade pool? I'm using the grade pool right now as a drawn liquidity. So I'm viewing this as an imbalance. So this 50% wick and this 50% wick. I'm viewing this as a pretty much a fair value gap. It's not a fair value gap. It's just an imbalance. So I'm using it as a drawn liquidity right now. That's where I thought the market. If the market was going to expand lower, I think it would move here. Yep, you can just use the daily FEG. You can always use the daily FEG here. And there's 50%, for example. I'm late. Which firm is that? We're talking about Alpha Futures. You take any trades? My model did not form today. I was bearish. Tried to look for shorts. Show us the last 10 trades on your journal. I can't even do that, bro, because we've only taken 2 trades on this funded. I mean, I can show you like how many do we have on the alpha? I can show you the alpha. Like, I don't know if we have this. And this is not 11 trades, by the way. It's because we're partialing, right? So this is the alpha account right now. I don't have, because we passed accounts, right? So we lose the journal in that sense. And then on Top Step, we're up 1R. Probably get the instant challenge on Alpha Features. The instant challenge. What's the instant challenge, bro? Caught a banger, 25K on macro. Nice, bro. My D level was previously low on daily FEG. Nah, yeah, valid. Very valid, bro. What's up, Tails? You caught 3RR today. Nice, bro. You lose 11, you gain 1,000. What? It's 5 winning days every time we request a payout. Bro, exactly, bro. Every time, just request a payout. You just have to make sure you leave, because remember, it's still drawdown. Is your account 50K? I risk 1%. On eval, I risk 1%. On funded, I risk like 0.25. I mean, I say I risk 1%, but are you trading CPI? Yeah, I'll be trading tomorrow. You're right, CPI is Wednesday. So tomorrow I'll be expecting range day. So same idea going into today. There's 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, and instant. You're looking at Alpha Capital Group, bro. I don't think you're looking at Alpha Futures. You're not looking at the right form, right firm. Quick question, bro. How do you copy trade with? You got to use it separately. Yes, 50K and a half, 5K in it, Top Step. Okay, so if you're with Top Step, you have to build a buffer. So as long as you're leaving a buffer, then request payout whenever you're eligible. Yeah. I wouldn't expect reversal, but maybe a move into premium at least. So something like this. What are you looking for, brother? Are you in their Discord, Geraldo? What time frame do you use to find your great pools most of the time? It's usually gonna be daily, weekly, or monthly. I'll rarely use it lower time frame. I only use it on the higher time frame. Daily, weekly, monthly. Do you need to do the buffer on my fund and futures as well? Yes. What do you think about that weekly opening gap? We'll probably go into it. Their Discord, you wanna know their rules? Like, you want me to send you something or do you want me to answer your questions? How do you do it separately? Yeah, I swap tabs, bro. Unfortunately, you can't copy trade Top Step and Alpha at the same time. So I copy trade them separately. Gonna hop off the charts now. Done. Yeah, I think this is pretty over. What's their Discord, bro? First things first. You obviously were not in the giveaway. We're gonna be doing another giveaway probably this week or next week. So if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. Because if you're not in their giveaway, you can't participate. This is their Discord. It's in my Discord. If you just go to giveaways, it'll be right there. We'll do another giveaway soon. It'll be the same steps. So if you already did the steps, all you have to do is leave a reaction and we'll do the next giveaway. You rattle off some questions per minute. It's hard to answer every question, but I'm trying to do. No buffer on starters. I started plus in my fund and futures. Yeah, you don't need to build buffer. But you can't request pay because max loss will get set to 0. Right? So you kind of have to build a buffer, you know? Mixed answers? What do you mean? Do you need the buffer for... No, you do. You don't need a buffer to request payout. But if you don't get a buffer, you're probably just going to blow the account after. You know? Oh, I get through a lot? Oh, I got you. Can't see the giveaway channel in Discord. If you can't see the channels in the Discord, you need to click this arrow and click show all channels. Take care, Tail. See you tomorrow, bro. These are the days that make the 1K, 2K, 3K days. 2K trade today? No. Nah, I could not. My model did not form today. Model did not form. Discord link is invalid in description. For real? With Trade Syncer? I've heard about that, but I don't know if it works. You got NBA player props for today? I do, bro. Yo, Lord Vino, bro. Alpha ain't allowed in my country. What country you in, Guaco? Is Top Step allowed? Yeah, on TikTok, the bio one, it works. You can't click the link. You have to click open in browser. Oh, brother, if you're in Kenya, I'm gonna be honest with you, a lot of futures firms are not gonna be eligible. So what you need to do if you're in Kenya is you need to get a CFD firm. You need to just get the cheapest. Realistically, funded by shares is probably best, but just get like the cheapest account on a CFD firm, and that's probably your best bet. And that's not a bad option. I see you popping up on my free page. I like your trading, bro. Appreciate you, bro. What is your model? Power 3. Yo, this guy a pick, bro? Who's this guy? Adam Bona? This guy's name is Adam Bona. Is he a pick? Should I pick him up right now? Do I drop Case and Wallace? Bro's not even starting anymore. Alright. Who knows Adam Bona, bro? Did PO3 occur today that doesn't take a trade? Yes, it did. We accumulated pre-market, double purge, and protraction. UCLA legend? Tell me right now and I'll pick him up my fantasy, bro. Say the word right now. Gatie, I'm in Canada, but I'm going to Pakistan. So you think I still trade with Top Step when I'm there? Good question. He's dust? Bro. But he got 14 and 15 with 5 blocks last night, bro. He says Andre Drummond's hampered. And I have Yabba Dabba Doo on my account, bro. He's never touching my freaking He's never touching my team ever again, bro. Yabadoo needs to go. Yabadoo needs to go. Is Drummond actually injured? I might just have to pick him up, bro. I'm gonna be honest. I think I win this week anyways, though. You know who needs to go, though? Brandon Clark, bro. That guy needs to go. Daddy, does money exchange from USD to... Yes, it does, brother. What does the instant option mean on Alpha Trader? Guys, we're not talking about Alpha Capital Group. We're talking about Alpha Futures. We're talking about the futures firm. Adam Boa always blows my lace for assist? Bro, really? You be putting Adam Boa on your... Well, this is the first time I've ever even heard his name, bro. What'd you be putting for? 1 assist? Your potential inverse. Yo, I've been hitting, bro. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. I low-key been hitting. But I only do plus 100s. Does Alpha use Tradeovate? Yes. You can use Tradeovate if you want. Do you think we're gonna close above 20K today? Over 1.5? Nah, you tripping. Bro, if that's your slip, it deserves to miss, bro. I'm gonna tell you straight up. Straight up, bro. If Adam Bona 2 assists is your... Where do I find Alpha Discord in your Discord? In the giveaway section. The reason I said, because they have 24-hour support staff, so you can literally go ask any question whenever you want, and they'll always reply. Look at the weekly. Yeah, nice. John Morant under 7.5 assists. Are you putting me on right now? Who are they playing? Against Foe? Against Phoenix? There's a lot of games. Standard or advanced? Right now, advanced is cheaper because you don't have to pay activation. So right now, I would do the advanced. You don't see it? So click right here and click show all channels. It's not about reversal. It's about retracement. This is a retracement. You guys be reading this as bullish order flow? That's kind of crazy, bro. I mean, yeah, you're right. It could retrace. Like I said, during lunch, one-sided morning session, expect retracement to premium. So like this high, maybe. It's possible. You're in a long right now. Good luck, bro. Hopefully it plays out in your favor. It could be low. Yeah, it could reverse. I'm a big banker. I'm a big banker lays. I go for unobvious ones. Like I like long shots because when I tend to pay for 10 losing. It's possible, Kamal. Yes, definitely possible. It should reverse. Eventually on the daily, we're going to reverse. But don't let this 1 minute CFD tell you this is your reversal. Sorry, I did not see. Can you show me again on the Discord how to put all channels? No problem. So if you're in the Discord and you want to join the next giveaway and you can't see, all you need to do is click the arrow at the top, like the Discord settings, and then go show all channels. This giveaway is over, guys. This one's over. We're going to do another one, though. We're going to do another one. That giveaway is over, guys. We're going to do another one, though. I'm just preparing you guys so you guys don't miss it. I can send you my slips drawing, but they're all plus 100s. I basically look at people I want to go over under on, and then I just nerf. Do you have any key rules that the others can implement? If you're looking for a reversal, wait for a CISD or a breaker. That's probably the best thing ever. Why didn't you see by the way? Because when you have sell side delivery, so you have to think about what's happening here. If you have sell side, okay, let me record this and I'm gonna make a video out of this because this is a good question. So somebody said, why does the CISD occur at the body and not the wick? Okay, let me tell you why. Because the sell side delivery here started at the body. It didn't start at the wick. We started delivering sell side at this opening price, and we have 1 and 2 candles lower delivering sell side. So your change in the state of delivery refers to the opening price of where we started delivering sell side. If we can start delivering buy side above that level, well, then we change the state of delivery from sell side to buy side, right? So that's how you mark out your CISD. But when you're marking out your order block, you need to include the entire range of that move. So this is your bullish order block, right? But you're changing the state of delivery is simply the opening price of where sell side delivery began. Does that make sense? How's trading go today? No trades today. Did not form my model. SMT formed. Yeah, there's an SMT here. This looks like, yeah, it could be a lunch retracement here, but like I would only aim for a discount premium. And I don't like these trades personally, these type of trades, but I'd look for a breaker here, see if we get a breaker. So this is a bearish order block. If we get above it, it should act as a bullish breaker. Need CFTC separate video to understand. I have a video on TikTok, but I am gonna make a full video on it, brother. I am. It is in fact, let me check my list. Is it next? It could be next. Nope. Next is internal and external range liquidity. So in 3 videos. Next is going to be internal and external range. Then there's going to be market structure shifts and breaker blocks next. After that will be changing the state of delivery and order blocks. Love your ebook on Discord. Appreciate you, bro. How fast can I pass an alpha account? 2 days? Yes, sir. 2 days. But if you're going to get the standard, I mean, unless you got the bread like that. If you're going to get the advanced account, bro, with no activation fee, I don't know if I'd be full porting that home. I mean, unless you got the money like that. Sometimes it goes above body, but no wick can just be a sweep. Yep, that's why your bias matters, right? So we're talking about 2 different things here, though. Are we talking about a CISD? Because the CISD so would be right here. So here it wicked. We did not close above. Here we closed above, and then you see we use it. But it's all about narrative, right? Just because there's 1 minute CISD doesn't mean you can be bullish, right? That doesn't come first. First comes bullish, then comes CISD. It can't be the other way around. Why don't you mark the other green candles? These ones? This wouldn't be a change in the state of delivery because we're already bearish. This is just an order block. The CISD happened all the way up here. This is just a bearish order block. If it closes above the body, then you have a change in the state of delivery, right? If it's going to close above the previous short-term high, then you have a breaker block. So if we close above here, it'll be a full breaker. You're right, it does need to be, exactly, no, this is just an example. I mean, this is just an example, but yeah, you're right. It needs to be from a key level. So you can't just take any single time a CISD, right? It needs to be from a key level. No trades today, Koala. It needs to be from a key level and in a key time. It can't just be every time, because if you just do this every time, then like how many times would you have been stopped out? You'd have been stopped out here, probably gonna get stopped out here. You would have been stopped out here. You would have been stopped out here. You would have been stopped. Like, see how many times it failed? Because you don't have the narrative. You're looking at longs, but in reality, you should be looking for this, right? The other way around. So, just remember that. I did want to take this short. I wanted to short right here, here, and here. Could not find my entry in any of these trades. Straight ideas. What are we looking for in the next hour? I need a haircut, that's why? I need a haircut, bro? That made me feel self-conscious, bro. I'm gonna get a haircut, bro. That's what it is. It is what it is. I might trade PM today, but I don't want to trade PM session on a Monday, bro. I really don't want to do that. Yeah. That's really what I said in Discord, too. I was like, it's no news Monday. We should probably do nothing. But watch us. We're just going to have a crazy volatile. Not volatile. It wasn't volatile, but it was a crazy range. It's so typical, bro. It's just been happening all the time. No, I won't go live in PM session. But I think we'll probably call it there. If you guys have any questions, feel free to join the Discord. I appreciate everyone coming through. Time for PM session. I would start trading at 1:30. That's when it starts. There's no other time, right? I appreciate everyone coming through. No trade day, but maybe I'll trade. If I trade something in the PM, I'll let you guys know. Why don't you stream PM session? It's too much. And I don't even like, when I say trade PM session, what I really mean is just go on my phone at 1:30 and see if it looks good. If so, I'll like set an alert at a level or something and then come back and trade it. Like, I'm really not trying to sit in front of the charts all day again. How about that little green candle? Why isn't it an order block? This one? This is so this is not an order block because it didn't trade into another order block, right? It needs to either trade into a fair value gap or an order block. So, for example, you see this order block? Let's do a good example here. Hold on. So this is your bearish order block, right? The reason this is an order block is because it trades into this order block. And also this fair value gap. There's a fair value gap right here too. So because it does that, then this is a valid order block. Not every single green candle, when it's going down, is an order block. It needs to trade into a fair value gap or a previous order block for it to be valid. So you can't say, oh, this is an order block. No, it needs to trade into this one. So for example, see how this traded into this? This is a valid order block. Assuming you're bearish, right? This is all assuming you're bearish. Is it really not working? Yeah, I'll send it in chat. I'll send it in chat. It should be working. I'll fix that as soon as possible. How much risk do you take on the real account percentage wise? It's usually 0.25. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit less than 0.25. It's like 0.2. I'll just send this one. Gatie, you're doing so good. Hope you get that payout. You deserve it. Thanks, bro. We'll see. Hopefully. I'm just here to do my job. Also invalid. It says it's expired. You might just do it. You're gonna have to copy and paste that link into a browser. I literally just made this link. There's no way it's. I mean, I can make another link, but like, there's no way. I literally just made it. I'll make a new one. Here, you try this. But if that doesn't work, then you need to just copy paste it into a browser. Can you explain a little bit about Alpha Futures funded account, mainly on withdrawal? Yes, we'll do that, and then I'll go. You just have to open it in browser, yeah. All right, I'll explain it, and then we'll head out. The reason Alpha Futures has the best rules for payout is because you do not need to build a buffer on the account to withdraw payout. So for example, with Top Step, if you want to take a, let's say $500 payout, when you make $1,000, you only have $500 left, which means you really can't take a payout of $500 and continue trading the account. You're going to be in severe drawdown. On Alpha Futures, if you make $1,000 and you request $500, you still have $1,500 left. So 3 times as much drawdown for taking a quick payout compared to Top Step. That's why I say with Alpha Futures, when you get funded, you can get a payout as soon as possible. As soon as you win 3 days, just take a payout. That's why. And I'm not saying don't use the other firms. I'm just saying use this one first. I mean, you guys can do whatever you want. I don't really care. But in terms of like what makes sense, you should use this one first. Use this one, get payouts quickly. You don't have to build a buffer. You don't have to make a lot. Just pay yourself $500, $300. Just pay yourself. And once you get that payout, you can use that money to get more accounts. Your web page is not working in Kenya. You got to copy paste it in browser, brother. So hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, you can always join the Discord and ask me. You can always join their Discord and ask me. They have 24/7 help. KFC sounds good. Yo, send me a picture, Koala. Send me a picture. I want to see it. I want to stare at it. All right, I appreciate everyone coming through. I'll let you guys know if I trade PM session. We're talking about alpha futures. No trades for me today. Might trade lunch or PM. We'll see. I appreciate everyone coming through. I'll be live tomorrow, exact same time, 9:30 a.m. Eastern, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. Remember to set your TradingView charts to UTC -4, and I will see you guys live tomorrow. Take care. If you need anything, just holla at me in the Discord. What's a good buffer on a 50K? Always leave 2,000 in your account, bro. Yep, I'm always live, YouTube, TikTok. Always leave 2,000 for a buffer. Minimum. All right, take care. Peace.